So like, why not pop a 9?
Juicy. Mom.
Oh, can you please face the sun? Because, like, we don't want to suffer when editing. So, can you give her a hug?
A hug, yeah.
Woo!
Yeah, it's getting down, it's going down. We are in part 3 now. Pop the balloons or find love. Opirao, aye, it's a quay.
It was a quay.
It was a quay.
Yeah.
Mara, one. I mean, like,
the vibe.
The vibe.
No, it's giving. It's giving.
Yeah.
Yeah, people are getting partners.
No, okay. As we are continuing, the boys, okay. Ni ready na for the gents, ne? What nga show? Ni ready na. Oh, okay. Namsizana already. We have our girl. Come here, the girl. Sanga says you know you. Po. Wow. Rinani hapa? I'm Jezi. Okay, ufinye kazi.
She's cute.
Media Jezi.
Atati.
Haiti. Udutuma namsuduita ka?
Yeah, because you're gonna trend.
Yes.
Yeah, you're going to trend. Oh, okay. No. Aifa.
Mara enya just trust it up betu. Not type away from the back view nje.
Yeah, Dion.
Okay, let's go. Boys, you may turn around. And cousin David. What was on pop balloon?
Governor sharp.
Sharp, ne?
Yeah. Sharp.
Oh, so like whenever vinyi?
Then for flash.
Flash.
Yeah, bon.
Okay. Oh, marabo never bonore like the type yawa.
Yeah, the one on the check yeah myself.
Okay. Wangam smash amara. Row. Kanama. Okay, let's pass. Boy. Pick the drip from the bottom to the top. Young 360. Look at Zipo. 360. So, why pop a balloon? Voice. Like what can me? Oh, I step here. Okay. Okay. Let's try. Hey, yellow bone. Yellow bone. He don't love a bad day. Okay. Mara, like I choose one song of pop and Kanama. Okay. Maran tap ya nga.
Kanama.
And tap yo.
Yeah.
Okay. Hey. Eneli chopper.
Yeah.
More mini.
And right mo.
Sure. So like, why not pop a 9?
Juicy. Utonga wonu kutuanga zitete mom. Asep yanga man.
Asep yanga.
Asep yanga.
Ngati 39.
Zitete. So we pesa zitundi panda.
That's a bar. Mara.
Something.
Yes.
Can I ask you something? You just said she looks like people who are living on the 30th. Yeah. But looking at your outfits, it seems like you're actually the one. You guys do match because this is green and yellow. They don't match. So I think you might as well go with her. How about that? How do you feel about his statement? Honestly, Angambati, you don't feel anything. Okay. Hello. Why Papa Balloon? Why is kumtakalela? Oh my gosh. Can you please face the sun? Because, like, we don't want to suffer when editing. Okay, sir. Kaim. Uko rango opopa. Oh, so uko rana lo. Low editor, so editor. Okay, it's not. Okay, it's not about that. Sharp. So, what was the real reason for you to pop? Oh, okay. It doesn't make sense actually. How do you feel about that statement? Is he your type? Why? Ufuya jayendo ya papa. Sharp. Next time. Hi. Handsome dark chocolate man. Yeah. Why did you pop the balloon? Oh my gosh. Why umsezo? So you would have really liked her if umsezo. So do you think he would be your type if he didn't pop? No. Okay. So komro bona bane abango pop basari. So abe ori ufinyizina lawo? Munjezi ene achifunana na muthu ubosezamini.
As long as I respect her, like
okay, Munjezi uri ene ubasongoseza chitu. Jamazori your looks don't matter. Utoda mtu notonipa. How do you feel about that? Mtu onotonipa achifunana na muthu.
Yeah, ndisuza with this also.
So
ngori ka relationship utoto bana respect ngamanda ndizona zwine last this relationship uri bathu babe fine.
So why didn't you pop your balloon?
Yeah, because ndobonori she's kind of cute though. Ndwabudi so and uyangane ndibona like a type yanga zabdu.
Sweet.
Yeah.
Okay. So munjezi ukhamba nga respect ka relationship. Ene utoda mina achikufunana muthu. Ananda bana respect both of them just busy.
Na some respect nyana na. That's just like interest of it.
Okay. So is there anyone popping right now? She's 17. Okay, so now because okay, guys. So now because there's no one who popped between the two of you, I'm gonna give Munjezi a balloon for her to pop for whoever he feels like. I mean, she feels like she doesn't want to vibe with, ne? Yeah, it's not personal, guys, ne? Yeah. Okay, come here, balloon. Actually, yeah. Before Munjezi achitava, tea, guys. Before achitava Munjezi, come Mbuzori. Like, how do you feel about this guy's outfits? I mean, this guy's outfits.
Like, yeah, Isha.
Oh.
Pick the drip from the bottom to the top.
Okay, both of them. But I feel like Munjezi is looking at this guy more. Okay.
Why
Okay. Can you please mtu anayekopesa ngari angasikona basa relationship naye kana anayakubuza mazitu naye.
Let's see. What you will? Come and pop. Yo.
Hey, man. How do you feel about that?
Yeah, it's not personal because zone career enemune akosifuna utotote ende ukufuna zona. Ngori ungasi jenise mthophethu ne thamsa akufuna. Zimodisia is chephethu sharp. Obviously zona sharp paroje na kaphethu nini akosifasa. Yeah,
okay, it does make sense. Why open balloon la umphanga wona kasoma? Oh, how old are you?
Hey. Give me a shout.
You're 19. How old are you, Mjes? You're 17. Oh, okay. So why didn't you pop this guy's balloon? Why is it pop a balloon? Oh, yeah, Madi. Okay, so how do you feel about what just happened now? She popped his balloon.
Not right. I think relationship.
So can you give her a hug?
A hug, yeah.
Okay, so we're gonna call this a relationship, or you guys are gonna go on a date or something, get to know each other.
Maybe there's no Mara, maybe tomorrow if I'm not.
Are you gonna exchange numbers?
Yeah.
So, are you up for that? Wow. Okay, so guys, this is a match. This is a match. Guys, Baba, there is on the way to get jealous now.
What about someone like this? Wow.
Okay. We have a match.
Ayo, we come to an end of Pop the Balloons or Find Love. Yes, we have part 1, part 2, part 3. As you can see, Chacho pitizela ngamanda. Yeah, event ya chimira chapu ane pata wani molo operator. Ushapu mabana anikotenda msi. Yeah. So okay, video ndo duwanaka with the vocalist. It's a collaboration. BTD. Yeah, and they wanna retake an event collaboration.
Make sure you like.
Now I'm happy.
We have this boy, you know this boy. Yes.
I wish you could say 1,000
likes.
Yeah.
1,000 likes, mabana. Viewers ni koto dangana na. Viewers
1,000 views.
300,000.
Yes.
Ya na yenga shika 300,000. 300,000. Okay. Riko vala. Make sure you like
And subscribe.
Ngoraro. Hey, are you ready, ne? Are you ready? 2, 1.
Ngiyawabona uhlaphi lo scone. Ariphaze spoon.